Okay. So when a business is started, as I said that business can be started with cash or with other assets also. So whatever assets are invested by businessmen, they will be debited, and the total value of assets, capital account will be credited. Okay. Then you mute yourself. Someone's noise is coming. Mute your mic. Okay. It's from Faiza Khan. Okay, okay. No, she is muted. Okay. Now, so one more important thing we have to understand whether a transaction is a cash transaction or credit transaction. Okay. So now, what is the rule? Purvi can tell me how to identify whether a transaction is cash transaction or credit transaction. Purvi.
Sir, if the term
Yes, please speak.
and second is if the term cash is not given, but the name of that party is also not given, so it will be a cash transaction.
Okay, okay. And credit transaction?
Then name of the party is given, but the term cash is not given.
So now let us see a video on this, how to prepare journal entries. Sorry, cancel. You tell me whether it is audible or not. Okay. So I'm going to share this event now, entire screen. Then this is the video. Is this audible? Is it audible or not?
Sir, it's audible.
इसकी आवाज आ रही है कि नहीं आ रही है आपको?
It is audible. Sir, it is audible, but voice not clear.
Loud.
Okay, okay.
Sir, the sound is not clear.
Is it audible or not?
Sir, it is audible.
Sir, audible तो sir clear नहीं है.
क्लियर नहीं आ रही है?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
सर वो कुछ ज्यादा ही लाउड है ना, इसमें क्लियर नहीं हो रहा है.
अच्छा, तो कम कहाँ से होगा ये? इसका कम करिए. Let me. अभी सही आ रहा है क्या देखो?
No, sir.
अभी भी सही नहीं है?
No, sir. कट रही है सर उसकी आवाज.
अच्छा, कट रहे हैं. अच्छा अच्छा, ठीक ठीक. मैं 1 मिनट उसमें स्पीकर लगाता हूँ तो शायद हो जाए क्लियर. this ठीक है, अभी देखते हैं, ट्राई करो थोड़ा, नहीं तो फिर इसको स्टॉप करेंगे, अपन रुक करेंगे, ठीक है ना। ट्राई टू अंडरस्टैंड फॉर सम टाइम। Basically, she is explaining with this 5 types of accounts. All of you are listening me? मेरी आवाज आ रही है आपको?
Yes.
So which approach she is following? That is the modern approach, है ना? 5 types of accounts. This is the 5 types of accounts. Is it clear? Sairam? Sairam?
Yes, sir.
Assets account, liabilities account, capital account, revenue account, expenses account. Okay. So when capital is introduced, which are the 2 accounts which are affected? Cash account is one. This is the cash is the asset account here, है ना? And second is the capital account. Okay. So when cash is invested, cash will increase, you know, debit the increase. This is the rule of this account, debit the increase. So cash account debit, and capital will also increase, so capital account will be credited. So cash account debit and capital account credit, that is the first entry for commencement of business.
Sir, it's not audible.
Not audible, okay. So I am stopping it. Okay, no problem. Okay. Okay. So now I am back. Am I audible? Hi Ram.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us do by our own. So first entry that she was explaining and we have already discussed, that is the entry for commencement of business. That is the business can be started with cash or with other assets. So this entry is clear to all of you. First entry is clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Commencement of business.
Yes, sir.
Okay, this entry we have done earlier also, so it is a revision only. Now second entry is second transaction that we can take, that is the purchase of assets. No? Purchase of assets. Assets may be purchased for cash or for credit. No? 2 types of purchases may be there. Assets may be purchased for cash or for credit. Now you can identify whether it is a cash transaction or credit transaction. The rule is same for all transactions to identify whether it is a cash transaction or credit transaction. Okay. So now suppose, let us say the transaction is furniture purchase for rupees 20,000. Okay. So now this Bhumi Jain will tell which two accounts are involved. Furniture purchase for rupees 20,000. Bhumi, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Furniture purchase for
Cash.
rupees 20,000. Okay. Is it a cash transaction or credit transaction?
Cash.
Cash transaction. So which two accounts are involved? Daksh Jain. Daksh, which two accounts are involved? Daksh is not there. Okay. Aditi Samadhiya.
Yes, sir.
Which two accounts are involved?
The cash account
And
and furniture account.
very good, very good. Cash account and furniture account. So my question is that is it a cash transaction or credit transaction?
The cash transaction.
It's a cash transaction. Okay. So what will be the entry? Which now second step is which category? Category. Find out the category of these two accounts. Furniture comes under which category and cash comes under which category?
Sir, both come under real account.
Under real account. Very good. Both come under real account. Furniture is also asset and cash is also asset. So both come under category of real account. Now what is the rule of real account?
Debit what comes in and credit what goes out.
Very good. Excellent. What is coming?
Furniture.
So which account will be debited?
Furniture account.
So what will be the entry now? Can you pass the entry?
Furniture account debit to cash account.
Very good, very good. So this will be the entry, furniture account debit, cash account credit. So we don't write credit, so we use the word to. So we will write, if you can write in column of general, furniture account debit to cash account. Narration will be being furniture purchase for cash. You know? So this is the entry for cash purchase of assets. Maybe any asset, furniture purchase or building purchase or computer purchase, any asset is purchased, this will be the entry. Name will change only. Okay. So that is the cash purchase of assets. Now second transaction is that machinery purchased from Raman Machinery House. Aditi Soni. Machinery purchased for rupees 1 lakh from Raman Machinery House. Aditi, can you hear? So listen the transaction. All of you can note the transaction. Machinery purchased for rupees 1 lakh from Raman Machinery House. Aditi, is it a cash transaction or credit transaction?
Sir, credit transaction.
Credit transaction. Okay, good. Which two accounts are involved?
सर एक बार ट्रांजैक्शन रिपीट कीजिए.
Machinery purchase for rupees 1 lakh from Raman Machinery House. Bhumi, can you identify?
सर कैश अकाउंट.
It's a credit transaction, so no question of cash account. Okay, Bhumi,
Personal account.
personal account means whose account? Who is the person here?
Raman.
Okay, Raman Machinery House, you know, the personal account. Okay, then second account is Faiza Khan. Can you identify? Faiza? Oh, Faiza is not there. Purvi,
Sir, machinery account.
okay, and Raman Machinery House. Second account is Raman Machinery House, you know. So two accounts are involved. First one is the machinery account, and second one is the Raman Machinery House. Okay. Now, which to which category these two belong? Purvi, machinery account belongs to which category? Purvi,
Yes, sir.
Machinery belongs to which category?
The real account,
Very good. And Raman Machinery House?
personal account,
Very good. So, machinery is the real account and Raman Machinery House is the personal account. What is the rule of real account?
the debit what comes in and the credit was going out.
The machine is coming or going?
Machine is coming,
So, machinery account will be debited or credited?
debited. No,
Okay, so machinery
credited,
account debit,
credited.
है ना? So, NT will be machinery account debit.
Yes, sir. So, mach, machinery account debit to Raman's machinery account. House.
So, before break or before summer break, we discussed classification of goods account. है ना? So, who can tell about classification of goods account? Personally,
Sir, purchase,
okay, good.
Purchase,
purchase return, sale,
Good.
sale return, stocks.
Yes, stocks. Okay. So, right now we will discuss only about four: purchase account, sales account, purchase return account, and sales return account. है ना? So when goods are purchased, we do not debit goods account, but we debit the purchase account. है ना? Goods, this is the nominal account basically. Purchase account, sales account, purchase return account, and sales return account are the nominal accounts. Okay. So when we purchase goods, it is the expense, purchase the expense, expenses are increasing. So because of rule of debit and credit of nominal account, debit the expenses. है ना? So expenses are increasing, so purchase account debit. And if goods are purchased in cash, then cash will be credited because cash is going out of the business. And if goods are purchased on credit, then the person's or party's name will be credited. Suppose goods purchased from Ram, so purchase account debit to Ram. So one thing is certain that whether we purchase goods for cash or for credit, in both conditions, goods account, purchase account will be debited. No, purchase account will be debited, and if it is purchased for cash, then cash account will be credited, and if it is purchased on credit, then the name of the party or customer from whom we are purchasing goods, that will be credited. Is it clear,
yes,
Sairam?
sir.
Yes, sir.
So, so write one transaction. write in notebook one transaction. Goods purchased for rupees 20,000 for cash. Goods purchased for rupees 20,000 for cash. Now Swastika Naik can tell the entry. What is the entry, Swastika? Swastika, are you there? So that's why I want you to open your video so I can see whether you are there or not. Can you open your videos? All of you can open your videos. Okay. The videos are open, then you are visible and can assure that you are there. Otherwise, some people switch on the meet and get away from that place. Okay. Are busy in some other work. So you keep on mute your audio, but keep on your videos. ठीक है. Good. इनका वीडियो ऑन नहीं होगा, मुझे पता लगेगा कि वो लोग क्लास में नहीं है, बाहर चले गए क्लास छोड़ के. They are roaming, doing something else in their room. So that's why it is important that you should keep videos open. Okay, so I asked to Swastika Naik. Swastika Naik is there? Swastika Naik. He is not there. Swastika's video. Swastika left the meeting. Okay. Muskan Bhargav, are you there? Muskan?
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So can you tell the entry, what I said, what is the transaction? What was the transaction? Again, I am repeating, purchase goods for purchase goods for rupees 20,000 for cash.
सर एक बार और रिपीट कर दीजिए.
Purchase goods for rupees 20,000 for cash. All of you pass your entries, I will ask. Okay. Who have done it? Muskan, are you understanding or not?
Yes, sir.
So can you say what is the entry? Varsa Vastri.
Yes,
What is the
sir.
entry, Varsa? Yes, can you say, Varsa?
Yes, sir.
Are you understanding or not?
Sir, understanding.
So what will be the entry for the transaction?
Sorry, what?
Purchase goods for goods will be purchased according to nominal account debit the increase in expenses. So purchase account debit and the bought account is to be credited. Only two out of two, one will be credited. If goods are purchased for cash, then cash account will be credited. If goods are not purchased for cash, goods are purchased for credit, then the account of that person or customer will be credited. So two transactions are possible only. Goods purchased for cash, any purchase account debit to cash account. Goods purchased from Ram, it is a credit transaction, so purchase account debit to Ram. Only these two possibilities are there. So whenever we purchase the goods, what is the entry? If it is purchased for cash, purchase account debit to cash account. Okay.
Sir.
And if goods are purchased on credit, then entry will be purchase account debit to customer. Customer means the party or person from whom we are purchasing goods. Okay. So now can you pass the entry? Varsa.
सर मैं बताऊं?
हाँ बताइए बताइए.
सर purchase account debited to cash account.
Okay, purchase account debit to cash account. Okay. Now next transaction, Bhumi will tell. Goods purchased from Kamal for rupees 10,000. Goods purchased from Kamal for rupees 10,000. goods purchased from
हो
Kamal.
गया
Goods purchased from Kamal for rupees 10,000. Okay. Now Bhumi, tell what is the entry? Goods purchased from Kamal for rupees 10,000.
Kamal is personal account
Hmm.
and
Purchase,
and
purchase,
that goods
purchase
are
account.
purchase
Uh,
account.
purchase account is which type of account? Personal or nominal?
Nominal.
Nominal account. No? So that I have said purchase account will be debited. That is sure. Whenever goods are purchased, one account is sure. Purchase account debit. No? So second account is what? Aditi Samadhiya.
The second account is cash account.
Sairam, please repeat again.
The second account is cash account.
It is on credit. Purchase goods from Kamal, not cash. No?
Sir,
Purchase
Sir,
personal
I
account.
skipped that one.
personal account. So what will be the entry?
Sir,
Tell me.
purchase account to Kamal account.
Okay, good. Purchase account debit to Kamal. Entry will be purchase account debit to Kamal. Okay. Purchase account debit to Kamal. So now, just opposite of purchase, there is a purchase return. Purchase return, all of you understand? Means when we purchase goods and after purchasing, we return the goods, that is called purchase return. So purchase is the increase in expenses and purchase return is the decrease in expenses. Purchase is the increase in expenses and purchase return is the decrease in expenses. So whenever goods are returned, expenses reduce, and according to nominal account, decrease in expenses will be credited. That's why purchase return account will be credited, and the person to whom you are returning the goods, that will be debited because he is the receiver. For example, write a transaction: return goods of rupees 1,000 to Kamal. Return goods of rupees 1,000 to Kamal. So two accounts involved are, one is the purchase return account and other is the Kamal. Second account is the Kamal. Purchase return account and Kamal. Kamal is the personal account and purchase return is the nominal account. So Kamal is receiving, when we are giving back the goods, who is receiving them? Kamal. So according to personal account, debit the receiver. So Kamal debit and expenses are reducing. So to purchase return account. Kamal debit to purchase return account. Decrease in expenses will be credited. Purchase return account will be credited. So Kamal debit to purchase return account. Being goods returned to Kamal. So it is opposite of purchase. What happens in purchase? We debit purchase account and we credit the account of the person from whom we are purchasing the goods. In case of purchase return, we debit the person to whom we are returning the goods and we credit the purchase return account, that is decrease in expenses. Okay. So purchase is increase in expenses, purchase return is decrease in expenses. Same thing for sales and sales return. Sales is the increase in incomes and sales return is the decrease in incomes. Whenever we sell goods, that is the increase in incomes or revenues, and sales return is the decrease in incomes or revenues. Okay. So same goods can be sold for cash or goods so can be sold for credit. So you write two transactions, all of you note. Sold goods for rupees 10,000. Sold goods for rupees 10,000. Second transaction, sold goods to Amit for rupees 20,000.
सर एक बार रिपीट करें.
Sold goods for rupees 10,000. First transaction. Second one is sold goods to Amit for rupees 20,000. Now Sambhav Jain, are you there, Sambhav? Sambhav Jain. Vaishnavi Bhargav, are you there, Vaishnavi? Vaishnavi Bhargav. Hi Ram. वैष्णवी भार्गव नहीं है.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so have you noted down the transactions? लिखे हैं आपने ट्रांजेक्शन दोनों? फर्स्ट ट्रांजेक्शन, सेकंड ट्रांजेक्शन. Ram. No. Daksh, have you noted down?
Yes, sir.
What is the first transaction?
Sir, 1 minute.
Hmm. Okay. So first of all, you note one question that you solve at home, and I will ask tomorrow about it. है ना? So note down one question. All of you note it. Okay. So record the following transactions in journal. Record the following transactions in journal. 2020, year 2020, January 1st. 2020, January 1st.
Sir, can you repeat?
2020, year is 2020, date, month is January, date is 1st January. Okay, January 1st. Dinesh started business. Dinesh started business with cash. Dinesh started business with cash. Rupees 3 lakh. Dinesh started business with cash rupees 3 lakh. Okay. January 2. Date is January 2. Purchased furniture. Purchased furniture for rupees 30,000. Purchased furniture for rupees 30,000. Am I audible or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Okay. January 3. Purchase machine. Purchase machine from Kamal and Sons. Purchase machine from Kamal and Sons for rupees 50,000. For rupees 50,000. And January 5. January 5. Purchase goods for rupees 40,000. Purchase goods for rupees 40,000 from Naman Kumar. From Naman Kumar for cash. purchase goods for rupees 40,000 from Naman Kumar for cash. January 10, purchase goods. January 10, purchase goods for rupees 20,000. Purchase goods for rupees 20,000 from Dayal and Sons. Purchase goods for rupees 20,000 from Dayal and Sons. And last January 15, goods costing rupees 1,000. Goods 15, January 15, goods costing rupees 2,000 return to goods costing rupees 2,000 return to Dayal and Sons. Return to Dayal and Sons. Okay. So all of you try to solve this question. If possible, you can solve and can WhatsApp me after taking a picture, or I will ask you in the next class tomorrow. Okay. So that's all for today. So today we try to understand, revise the rules of debit and credit and types of accounts. And we try to understand how to pass the entries for 3-4 transactions like commencement of business, purchase of assets, purchase of goods on cash and credit both. Okay, so we will continue with general. This chapter will continue for 10-15 days. This is the chapter which take most longest time. So that we will continue. You try to solve the problems whatever is possible for you from the book, whatever book you have. All of you should have NCERT or may have NCERT book, or if any reference book you have, you can solve it from that also. So Sairam, you can leave the meeting. First you leave, then I will leave.
Sairam sir.
Sairam.
मंगवाइए क्या दीदी के कहने पर हाँ